Go.
Anna is making a circular flower garden. The area of the garden is 113.04 square feet. She wants to add a fence around the outside of the garden to keep out her dogs. How many feet of fence does she need to buy? Remember, she can only buy whole feet. Use 3.14 as pi.
Okay, so what you're going to do first is, since you're given the area, you're going to want to figure out what the radius was, because to figure out how many feet of fence you need, you have to use the circumference equation, which is c equals 2 pi r, which r is the radius. So the area equation is a equals pi r squared, where you're given a, and we're going to use 3.14 for pi. So a is 113.04 feet squared equals 3.14 times r squared. So what you're going to do next is you're going to divide both sides by 3.14, because what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. And you're going to divide by that because you want to get the r squared by itself. So once you've divided that, you're going to get 36 is equal to r squared. And then you take the square root of both sides, because it's squared, so you have to take the square root. So you're going to have square root of r squared and square root of 36. And you're going to get r to be equal to 6. So r is equal to 6 feet. And since we have r now, we can use it to get the circumference. So you're going to have c equals 2 pi r, and c is equal to 2 times the 3.14, because that's what we use for pi again, times the 6 feet from the radius, which we found out with the area, so times 6. And then that is equal to 12 times 3.14. And then our total circumference, so the total distance, is 37.68 feet. So since you can't buy 0.68 feet of a amount of fence, her total amount of fence she's going to need will be 38. So she'll need 38 feet of fence to cover her garden.